Most people think building an online course takes weeks. The tool which I'm going to show you in this video, with that tool over 300,000 courses have been built on it across 180 countries. Writing lessons, recording videos, building quizzes, setting up a platform, I just did all of that in under 10 minutes. And the course I built on the single most in demand skill in tech right now, building apps with AI using Claude Code and Codex. Let me show you exactly how. AI has completely changed how fast you can go from an idea to finished sellable course. In this video, I use a tool called Coursebox to build real complete course, modules, quizzes, an AI video presenter, even a 24/7 AI tutor without recording a single video or writing a lesson from scratch. Full transparency. Coursebox is this video's video paid partner, but this is genuinely my workflow, and there is a free plan so you can literally follow along as we go. Whether you want to teach a skill or package what you know, or want to generate passive income by creating course and selling it online on different platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or any other learning platform, or let's say you are a teacher or content creator like me who want to generate course and teach your students, then barrier to entry is almost zero with this tool. Let's dive in and I will show you how easily you can create course with this new tool. Real quick before we build, I launch membership program on my YouTube channel. Members get my complete prompt packs, including every prompt I use in this video and all upcoming videos. Members only polls where you can decide what I build next, and member only short videos. If that's useful, hit join right now under the like button. So here is the course we are building. Vibe Coding 101, build your first app with AI, no experience needed. Vibe coding just means you describe what you want in plain English and the AI writes a code, runs it and fixes its own mistakes. And we are teaching the two tools everyone is talking about, Claude Code and Codex. I picked this one on purpose. Millions of people want to build apps but think they can't code. That's a massive audience, and now they actually can. You can point Coursebox at any topic like this. Okay, before I directly show you into Coursebox, let me explain you in a visual way how Coursebox works. In the first step, we just need to provide prompt or files as a knowledge base if you have it, and then we just need to ask Coursebox step by step into chat whatever we want and it will build it for us. It can build lessons, interactions, quizzes, assessment, AI video, and 24/7 tutor. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can publish and sell this course as well, and you can add Stripe and the PayPal to collect the payments. And now let me show you directly into Coursebox how we can build the course. I already have an account in Coursebox, so I simply signed in with my Gmail. If you haven't, then I put the link in the description tab. Simply sign up and logged in. And as you can see, it's very easy to navigate onto Coursebox. I'll just click on here, create, and it looks like we are in the ChatGPT, right? It's a look like LLM, and simple. Here we need to tell in the plain English what we are trying to build, and here you can change the language as well, English US, English Australia, German, whatever. And here you can upload PDF, doc, PPT, CSV, or anything if you have something in the knowledge base. In the course setting, you can add like interactive course, add YouTube videos. Let's say if you want to add some YouTube videos, then you can paste the YouTube video here as well, and it will add YouTube video and take the knowledge from it as well. Right now, I don't want to add anything. I will just paste the prompt directly into plain English. All right, I pasted prompts in simple English where I mentioned create a beginner friendly course titled Vibe Coding 101, build your first step with AI, no experience needed. And I mentioned audience, all the structure which I want, each section, very simple, and then I simply execute it. Okay, now it will think for us and ask follow-up questions if it need any answers from us. It was fast. It took literally 1 minute to provide me the complete plan. As you can see, Vibe Coding 101, introduction, what is Vibe Coding and why, meet your AI assistant, your first build, and here it's saying generate course. It's super fast, right? I'll just click on generate course and let's see how fast it will generate this one. Your course is generating. Yeah, that's fine. It's showing us everything. Perfect. Now it's generator, and here it's generating course for us, and here we can create our tutor as well. I will show you everything in a minute. As you can see, it's generating image automatically, whatever we'll need in this course, and it's populating each information. Yeah, my vibe coding is better. It's building quiz. Perfect. We can just simply navigate it. Section 1 quiz. All right, literally within 3 minutes it built our entire course, and it looks really amazing in the first instant. Okay, we can find different chapters, images. By the way, this all images in this course, they built it by themselves. We didn't add anything, and it, as you can see, they build quiz in each section as well. We can test it. Okay, it's working. I don't know the answer. Oh, by Flook, it's correct. Explain why prompt writing is essential in the app development process. You can edit this quiz as well based on your own requirement. I will not edit here, but it looks amazing. And one thing which I really like, that if I go here, let's say meet Claude Code, and then go to AI editor, and then I can simply ask if I want to edit or improve, right? So let's say I'll paste this prompt, rewrite this lesson's introduction so it speaks directly to a nervous beginner, right? I just mentioned that, and it will rewrite our introduction of this section immediately, right? So it's generally very fast. So as you can see, within just 10 seconds, I guess, it rewrote our introduction for this section. And one of my favorite feature is this AI coding mentor. So whenever if your students have questions, they can simply go to this AI coding mentor and ask question, and it will answer immediately, right? You can change the instruction for this AI tutor as well. Here currently it's by default. I will change it to, let's say, this new custom instruction. You are the vibe coding coach, a friendly patient tutorial for absolute beginner. Yeah, and it's saying welcome mission, hey, I am your vibe coding coach, ask me anything. And you can also change the image of this one. You can add the knowledge base. If you want to add some knowledge base from outside, you can add the website, and you can simply retrain it, right? When it's retrained, it will change it for you. Now if you click it, it will answer based on our new knowledge. And here, as you can see, in the each section, you can find the quiz and the assessment. And from here, that is my favorite feature. When you click on the AI, you can generate images for this particular course, right? You can also generate video, quiz, assignment, AI tutor setting, AI audio setting, and also you can add these grid cards, banner. There are a lot of features which you can use in this course box, right? Sometimes in your course, if there are only text and this images and everything, so sometimes students feel boring nowadays. So there is one another option, so you can create avatar video. So just click on AI. This is super cool, right? Where you can find the different pre-existing available avatar, right, on the different people and from the different countries, right? Or you can also create your own avatar if you want to create this video, and then you can paste the script, whatever you want to add into this particular avatar. Right now I would like to keep it as it is. I will select this avatar. For example, I will select this one, right? Keep it that script, choose this female voice, and text is fine. And then I will just simply click on generate video. And another option is that from the presentation, let's say if you have some presentation or something and you want to create video out of that, you can simply attach presentation and it will create video for us, right? And we are just clicking on the generate. Now it will create here automatically video for us based on our script. Isn't it amazing feature? Because nowadays to record this video, put it over there, it takes a lot of time. Just create your avatar there, or use this pre-existing avatar and create this avatar video which explains your concepts. So we are educators, we are teachers, right? So we always think whatever the course which we will build, it's amazing, but we need to think from the student's perspective. So before we publish this course, we need to switch to learner view. So there we can see how learners will view this course from the student's angle. Yeah, and where you can find all information, how it looks like. Yeah, you can click on the next, you can this one, and when it looks amazing, then you can publish it. For the sake of this demo, this course looks good, but if you want to further enhance based on your requirements, based on your personal situation, you can go it till the end, right, until you are satisfied. And then when you are satisfied, just click on the share, copy link, and then you have copied a link, only you can access. Now we can change the access from private to public, and here we can say allow public access. Now it's published, and then you can connect and put it wherever you want to do it, and then you can connect with PayPal, Stripe, and then you can accept the payment. Also you can click on download, and you can download this course PDF, marking guide PDF, or HTML, or you can share it on social media as well. Let's say you build this course and you want to create certificates or badges for your extraordinary students, then you can simply click here, and then you can create this certificate easily right inside Coursebox, and you can create badges as well. So there are all possibilities and all features which you need to build the course. Isn't it amazing, guys? We built this entire course with just vibe coding. We simply explain in the chat what we want, and this AI tool built the entire course. For the sake of this demo, we created very simple course, but for your own use cases, you can create as many courses, as many difficulty level. You can build whatever you want to build with this AI tool. Start building it today, earn money, and I will see you in the next one.